Welcome to another Big Jimny video, and this is the first in what will be a series on the actual restoration of our SJ. I'm here outside Creative Signs in Finch Hampstead, and you would have seen me say in one of my previous videos that before you start any restoration you need to understand all the parts you are going to need. So you'd have seen me say that I've managed to identify the sources of all the panels that we're going to need to do this, but the one thing that we also of course have noticed is the decals on the side. So we have the Suzuki decals that are stuck on the side, and they're sort of part of the whole 1980s thing for the SJ. Now there are different styles of decal, and of course this style happens to be the one that's really difficult to get hold of. Suzuki don't have any, and haven't had any for years, and some of the online suppliers of old SJ parts don't have this style. They have the other styles but not this one. We did manage to find it in a place in Italy, and I've got a set come from them, but they are, I'm afraid, a bit disappointing. They don't match the colours correctly, they're slightly the wrong size, and as part of a proper restoration you want to go back to something that's absolutely genuine. And of course, once we've got these stripped off, ready for painting, there's no going back and saying, oh dear, we can't get the decal. So the guys here at Creative Signs have been out today, and as you can see, they have been templating, measuring them up, they have scanned them, they have taken colour samples and they are actually just running some test runs through the machine now, although we won't actually need them for 3 months, so that they can supply us with the new decals for the side of the Jimny and the SJ, and it will look like new. And to that end, if anyone else is also doing a rebuild of a similar thing, then later on in the sequence, once we get things made up and checked and that, then they will actually be available in the Big Jimny shop along with the panels, so that if you're doing a restoration yourself, that you can then buy the parts and don't have to chase around the world almost like I have done to get hold of the different bits and pieces. So watch ready in the next video for the continuing part of the rebuild, and if you want to subscribe so that you get an alert, then click like and subscribe to this video. So until the next time, I'll see you further down the road.